Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Your blink rate drops from 15 per minute to 5 during prolonged screen exposure daily. This measurable change leads to dryness, irritation, and long-term strain affecting your visual system significantly. Your brain also shifts dopamine patterns, increasing fatigue, anxiety, and reduced attention stability over time. Most people ignore these early warning signs until symptoms become persistent and harder to reverse later. This video explains what is happening inside your eyes and brain during daily screen exposure. Digital eye strain is a clinically recognized condition caused by prolonged focus on digital screens daily. It includes symptoms like blurred vision, headaches, dry eyes, and difficulty maintaining focus consistently. Blue light exposure also disrupts melatonin production, delaying sleep onset and reducing sleep quality significantly. People working over 6 hours daily on screens show higher rates of eye fatigue and cognitive overload. Children and remote workers are among the most affected groups due to continuous digital interaction. The problem is not just screen time, but how frequently and intensely you engage with devices. Short breaks and visual resets are often missing, increasing cumulative stress on both brain and eyes. Your eyes are designed to shift focus between distances, not remain fixed on one focal point. Continuous near focus overworks the ciliary muscles responsible for adjusting lens shape for clarity. This leads to temporary myopia, where distant objects appear blurred after extended screen sessions. Meanwhile, reduced blinking causes tear film instability, increasing inflammation and dryness on the eye surface. Blue light penetrates deeper into the retina, potentially increasing oxidative stress over long periods. Your brain processes rapid digital inputs, increasing cognitive load and reducing sustained attention capacity gradually. This constant stimulation elevates cortisol levels, contributing to mental fatigue and reduced emotional resilience. A 2021 study found that over 70% of adults reported symptoms of digital eye strain regularly. Another study showed melatonin suppression increased by up to 20% with nighttime screen exposure. Participants using screens before bed experienced delayed REM sleep cycles and reduced overall sleep efficiency. Research also links prolonged screen use with decreased gray matter density in attention-related brain regions. Blink rate reduction alone can increase tear evaporation by up to 50% during focused screen use. These measurable changes explain why symptoms appear even in otherwise healthy individuals without prior eye conditions. The effects are cumulative, meaning daily habits determine long-term outcomes more than occasional overuse. Small adjustments can significantly reduce these risks when applied consistently over time. Start with the 20-20-20 rule to reset your visual system every 20 minutes effectively. Look at an object 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds to relax eye muscles. Adjust screen brightness to match your environment to reduce contrast strain on your visual system. Position your screen slightly below eye level to maintain a natural and relaxed gaze angle. Maintain a viewing distance of about 50 to 70 centimeters from your primary screen device. Use artificial tears if dryness persists, especially in air-conditioned or low-humidity environments daily. Limit screen exposure at least 1 hour before sleep to protect natural melatonin production cycles. Enable night mode or blue light filters during evening hours to reduce retinal stimulation intensity. Take 5 to 10-minute movement breaks every hour to reset both body and cognitive load. Include omega-3 rich foods like fish and walnuts to support tear production and eye health. Stay hydrated because dehydration reduces tear volume and increases dryness symptoms during screen use. Many people believe blue light glasses completely prevent damage caused by prolonged screen exposure daily. The fact is, they may reduce glare slightly, but they do not solve the root problem. The main issue is continuous focus and lack of breaks, not just blue light exposure alone. Behavioral changes provide significantly more benefit than relying only on external tools or accessories. People with existing dry eye syndrome should be especially cautious with prolonged digital screen exposure daily. Individuals with migraines may experience increased frequency due to visual strain and screen brightness sensitivity. Children's developing visual systems are more vulnerable to long-term effects of excessive near-focus activity. People with sleep disorders should strictly limit nighttime screen exposure to avoid worsening circadian disruption patterns. If symptoms persist despite changes, a professional eye examination is recommended to rule out underlying conditions. Your eyes need movement, rest, and hydration to function properly in a digital environment daily. Your brain needs reduced stimulation periods to maintain focus, emotional balance, and cognitive performance consistently. Small daily habits create measurable improvements in both visual comfort and mental clarity over time. If you spend hours daily on screens, your habits today will define your future visual health. Start applying these strategies now to reduce strain and protect both your eyes and brain. If you want to live longer and healthier, don't forget to subscribe now.